Yo. Amazing. Like, I'm actually blown away. Shout out to Eladope. He was the one that like said, "Can you get these?" And I was like, "Well, I'll see." This is a beautiful touch. This is inside the box. It's water. So let's go ahead and get these things open. And when I got the box, it was really heavy. And I know because they have water in the shoe. And on StockX, they say there could be some condensation or water actually in the box because they may leak somehow. But this pair did not leak at all. I decided to switch to a black background because it's easier to see a white shoe, and this water going through it, that's got to be the coolest thing ever. I cannot get enough of that. I sat here doing that forever. It's the coolest thing. You can actually hear the water going in and out, and when you're wearing them, you can't really feel it, but that is so fun. That's just the coolest thing. Look at the water as you tilt it, it goes back. I don't know why it's blue though. Maybe they put some like something in there to keep the water good. I don't know. The bottoms are very pure. They're gonna get dirty on the first wear. They got my man Christ on there. If you're into that type of energy, there you go. I'm still shocked Nike actually got these pushed through. There's some blood there. We know what that's about. Probably some sacrifice. Interesting. Very well executed. I'm assuming that says Matthew 14:25. That was the same thing that was on the box. There's the MSCHF tag on the back. These were very well executed. This insole is pretty interesting as well because you can flip it on the other side, and it's the exact same thing. They're like this kind of felt material. It feels really good. So let's go ahead and look at the black light. I don't think we'll find a whole lot, but we got to do it. And interestingly enough, I cannot spot any flaws. If you guys know something that would be off or needs to be addressed, please let me know in the comments. It does not hurt my feelings. That's just so cool. Look at the water in black, and that's just amazing. Shout out to Nike for this idea. This is like taking me back to the old SB Dunk days in 05. Like, this is creative. This is innovative. Even though you might not be like a so-called Christian or believe in this type of faith, the shoe is just still super bad. Like, come on now. I mean, I'm sure some people take that crucifix off, but it doesn't. I'm going to leave it on. It looks dope to me. But let's go ahead and slide into the unboxing. my mic on the camera. Camera's getting wet. I should probably end this video. I didn't want to go anywhere fancy today. I already put out like 3 videos today. I mean, oh my God. Okay, as far as comfort, I would give them a 9 out of 10. I just can't get enough of that water thing. And it was a crazy day. It was kind of appropriate to do this on this kind of day because there was water, and I tried to step into my pool, and I wasn't able to walk on water, on pool water, unfortunately. So that didn't work, but the shoes are still dope. That's all that matters, and I appreciate them. Beautiful gifts, blessings. But that's pretty much all I got, guys. No more videos. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the weekend. Here's 4 on 4. Always appreciate you guys clicking on the vids, checking out my IG videos, and checking out my IG pictures. I always do little screens from the video, so follow me on IG to get all the giveaway information. Peace, love, and light. You guys take it easy, because that's what I'm about to do. 1.